Can we edit a TikTok video after posting? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can edit a TikTok video after posting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile, simply head over to the post that you want to see or that you want to edit. Now right here, you will get the option, that is you can tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner where you will get the option to edit. Now scroll here, you should get an option that says edit. If you find it, it's alright. If you don't find it, that's alright too. Now you'll see the privacy settings. And right here, you will notice that there is also no option to edit your TikTok video. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. What you can actually do is that you can head over here and you can at least edit your caption. So you can tap on your caption option and then edit the caption. And other than that, there is no actual option through which you can edit your TikTok video after you've already posted it. What you can do is you can at the end delete the video completely and then post it again with the edit that you want. And I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.